Like any vehicle, your Subaru will require regular maintenance and occasional repairs. But unlike the rest, yours has a uniquely engineered boxer engine and a symmetrical all-wheel drive system. This is why our teams who work on them are factory trained. This means they've received hands-on training from highly advanced Subaru technical instructors and know every Subaru inside and out. They use specialized tools to help ensure accurate diagnosis and repair, replace worn components with genuine Subaru parts for proven fit and performance, and they'll check to make sure everything's performing at its best with a free multi-point inspection at each visit. So why trust any other shop with your Subaru? Come see us for the expertise it deserves. We're here to help make it last.